Powered by Plascon, today's handy heroes come from Hot Pot Paint in Springs.
Well, we've been in business for about 48 years, and we started this business, my three brothers who are late now, and myself, and unfortunately it's just me left, and my family, so we're carrying on with the business. We strive to give good service to people, good advice, we help the customers, we try to make them happy. We're the best paint store in the area because of best advice, best service, best price, and customer is king. Plascon has a wide range of good quality for all pockets. The product has been a long time on the market. People know the name, it's a household name. So it sells, it's a good product. My favorite Plascon product is Velvaglo oil based. It's a non-drip enamel and nice to apply. It gives a beautiful finish, smooth, a good product, good finish. My DIY tip is always use drip sheets firstly when you're painting inside. Put it down nicely on your floors. Use masking tape where you need to mask by your window frames. Use the right rollers for the right job. And when you're finished, clean it straight away.
Handy heroes, powered by Plascon. Together, we've got this.
South Africans know tough. It's built into our DNA. We know how to outweather and outlast the harshest conditions. When the cracks start to show, we go the extra mile. Our strength is legendary. Our resilience, iconic. And despite the odds, we know what gets the job done. Microtex, strong enough to endure anything.